Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I'm going to show you guys how to put your wig into a ponytail. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, so this is a frontal wig. You also have lace in the back so that you can put it up if you like. It comes with adjustable straps as well as combs on the side and in the back. And you can see here the knots are bleached. See, here's the sides. The knots are really bleached in the front, but in the back you can kind of see the knots a little bit more. Okay, before I even install the wig, I want to show you the hairline and how the wig looks before I cut the lace. Y'all, I'm over here doing this Reels video and forgot I was filming. But I just cut the sides and then flip my wig back. And now I'm doing my first layer of this and it feels like gel. And then using this ORS olive oil liquid fix. That's supposed to be similar to the Got to Be Glued. Alright, so I'm going to put my band on and put on my bonnet. Boom. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the morning. Alright, y'all, so it is the next day. I done my makeup. And baby, last night, I had to take that black thing off and come put this on because, honey, I couldn't sleep. But yeah, go shop my bonnet, www.simplycloud9.com. Go get it. Okay, so y'all see my hair still looking good. It looks even better the next day. And last night when I used this, I was like, I like it, but I don't, because you really need to do it in small sections. Because you're doing it in big sections, it's like you can use too much product. It can shift. It can do all the extra stuff. But today, seeing the outcome and feeling like how well this is on my head is like my new favorite. So if I had to choose between the Got to Be Glued or the ORS olive oil liquid fix, like you don't see like any white residue or anything, and this joint is on here. Granted, this had you on too, but this is in the middle of like thin gel consistency that I'm here for. Look at this. It's like, where does it start and stop, bruh? It looks so natural, of course, with this texture. It looks really good. Side part cute too. It looks so natural. And this wig is 16 inches here. Alright y'all, so I'm ready to attempt to glue down the back of this wig so I can put it up into a ponytail. Last time I glued down the back of my wig, I did not like it because I feel like when I kind of like lean my head down, I feel like I could be stretching and it's just annoying. So I never glue down the back. People always ask me how you keep a wig down or what do you do with the back. I don't do anything. I glue down the front and the back usually stays like this. I can pull it up if I want, but it's not, you know, it's not going anywhere. But because I want to do a ponytail, I'm going to attempt to glue down the back. So this is just put up into a little messy bun. I'll fix it again later. I have this around my neck, so as soon as I put the liquid fix on it, then I'll put it down. And when I cut my lace off of the wig in the back, I left a little bit of lace right here just because I was doing this ponytail. So put this all around my neck. Okay, now I'm pull the wig down. Now let's pull this band up. What in the world? I'm ready to blow dry like a full 5 minutes straight. I'll be back. I'm scared to. Okay, so before I remove this, I'm going to go ahead and do my ponytail while my band is on. And actually, I'm going to do it in 2 sections so I can make sure it's up high where I want it to be. And I'm going to use a little bit of the olive oil wrapping mousse. Okay, so I have half up. Now let me go ahead and add the back. It's a little harder than what I thought. I'm scared to take the back. Really quick, because this isn't a 360 wig, you can see the wig right here. Like on the sides, there isn't any lace. It's only lace around the front hairline and around the nape. It's none around the ear area. And that's why people usually get a 360 frontal if they want to pull it up in the ponytail or just do all the extra stuff. But since that's not what we have, what I'm doing is just taking a hairpin and putting it through the hair and then going under and pinning it underneath my hair. Let me put one more right here because this bad boy really comes up. Okay, so now you really can't tell. Never again will I do a hot ponytail. Never, ever again. All right, ponytail complete. And I feel like this shit is still coming up in the back. This is why I do not like to pull it up. But I'm going to curl my pieces. And the ends of my ponytail I want to flip up. And this look is not for everybody. I understand that. I know I'm taking it back. I know I'm risking a lot by doing this ponytail like this. But baby, you ain't got to wear it. Sorry. Alright, this is cute. If it looks like I'm holding my neck stiff, it's because I am. I don't want the back to come up. Then with this red lip, perfect. Alright, you guys, that's all for this video. Please leave me a thumbs up as well as comment and let me know what you think about this look. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.